How can this bird cook its food inside its body? No joke, this is the Hoatzin, an ancient bird from the Amazon that digests leaves like a cow. It uses a process called foregut fermentation, the only bird in the world that does. Inside its enlarged esophagus and crop, symbiotic bacteria ferment the leaves into nutrients. This process generates heat, so technically the Hoatzin cooks its food. The result? A horrible stench, like a wet cow. That's why it's nicknamed Stinkbird. Its huge crop shrinks the chest muscles. Hoatzin can barely fly. It just glides from branch to branch. Hoatzin chicks are born with claws on their wings, like tiny dinosaurs. They use them to climb trees. Hoatzins live in groups in Amazon swamps. They are diurnal, noisy, and fiercely protective of their nest. It's stinky, clumsy, and eats leaves, but it holds the key to modern bird evolution.